Hi. So in this video, I want to talk about favorite conversations, how you can add them, how you can access them, and everything else about favorite conversations. Before we start, you need to have Superpower ChatGPT extensions installed. To install Superpower ChatGPT, go to Google, search for Superpower ChatGPT, click on the first link. It will send you to this page. Here you can click on the Add to Chrome button, which will add the extension to your browser. Once you add the extension to your browser, you can go back to ChatGPT, refresh the page, and you'll see all the features of Superpower ChatGPT loaded inside ChatGPT. Now, on the left side, you see a menu or a button that says Favorites. When you click on that, you'll see all your favorite conversations in here. If you don't see the star icon here on the conversation, that is probably because you don't have the setting from folder show conversation indicator in sidebar turned on. If this setting is turned off, you just don't see the star icon and the note icon on the conversation. If you want to see those icons, just go to the folder menu and then click on this one to turn it on, and then it will show the star icon right there. Now, after you turn that on, how do you add a conversation to your favorite? So there are different ways to do that. You can go to all conversations. First way is to just click on the three dot, then click on add favorite, and that will immediately add the favorite icon to the conversations if you have that setting turned on. And if you go to your favorite folder, and you'll see the new conversation added inside that folder. Another way to enable favorite on a conversation is I'm going to remove the favorite from here, is by going to that conversation, which we already have here right now, and then click on the hamburger menu at the top right, then click on add favorite. Same thing, conversation is now added to favorite and in your favorite folder. You can remove it from here. And then the last way is, of course, from the conversation manager. So if you go to the conversation manager, this is probably the easiest way to add or remove conversation to your favorite. You can very quickly just click on the star icon on each card and add them to your favorite or remove them from your favorite very easily. You go here and you'll see all of those conversation added to your favorite. If you go back again, you can just remove these conversations from favorite. So that's how you add and remove conversation to your favorite and manage your favorite conversations. I hope this helps, and thank you.